Hi, I'm Marla Niederer, and I have a YouTube channel, OrsinisAngels, and I just wanted to share with you what I'll be doing this month. I've been creating quite a few books, so on the channel I'm going to share with you a flip through of this journal and this journal, which is a mermaid theme, and this one is a roses and fairy theme, and they're both accordion journals. And I always share at least one tutorial a month on how I've created something so that you can create it along with me. And this month, since I've been really into bookmaking, I thought I would share with you how I created an art journal out of an old book. And I did use a pamphlet stitch basically for attaching the signatures, and on the cover of the book I did use some brown wrapping paper, which I'll share with you how I decorated it and how I protected it so that it will, be durable. I also used inside scrapbooking paper, and then I also created some jelly prints on cardstock that I used for my signatures. And I did include 2 signatures in the book. And as a bonus video tutorial this month, not only will I show you how I created this book, but I'll also show you how I created the jelly prints for the signatures of the book. So I've been having so much fun creating books this month, and I hope you will too, and I hope you'll join me in my YouTube tutorial and my bookmaking this month. So thank you for watching my video, and I'm hoping you're having a creative week. Talk to you soon. Bye.